Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be setting up the weekly dashboard for upcoming week. And I'm actually changing up my pen that I usually use. I'm going to be using the Muji 0.7 tip. I have been loving to use this thicker tip pen. I typically use 0.38 or 0.5, but for the past week I've just observed that I'm reaching out to this pen over the other one, the 0.7 tip. So I'm just liking the way it writes and how it looks. So yeah, let's get started. Work goals, I actually have 3 work goals this week. One is moved from last week to this week. Just a sec, I'm trying to adjust the microphone a bit. Yep, we're good to go. Okay, so the first one is sending the stickers for sampling. So I wasn't able to do this last week, or actually I did it, but then I wasn't really happy with the kind of result that I got. So I'm just gonna rework on some of the things and then send it again. So that's one sticker design for samples. And then the other thing that I'm going to be working on I want to work on is content ideas. So for content ideas, I wanted some suggestions from you guys. Currently, I am doing some of the things that I want to do just on a regular basis that I enjoy, and then some of the things that you guys request. So I want to organize this. Actually, let me just put it as organize as well into some of the major topics that I want to be talking about. Obviously, one is going to be planning, and the other one, something that I'm passionate about and I talk about, is goal setting and how, like, anything associated with that. So if you guys have any requests, do let me know and I will consider that and try to work on a strategy for this, because soon from May onwards I want to switch up a lot of things, because the way I work will be very different. I will be done with my classes, and the way I'm gonna work on content is gonna be a little bit different. Currently I'm working on it every single day, so just let me know before that. Like this month I want to work on this the upcoming week, and then April onwards I can start implementing the plan. So yeah, let me know what are your requests. Do you have any excuse me, sorry about that. Just let me know if you have any particular requests. Oh my god, sorry about that. Yeah, so let me know if you have any particular request or any particular topic that you want me to talk about or you want me to create content around. I got some requests around time management, like how I manage my time between all the things that I do. And then another one is my daily planning routine, like how exactly I use this planner or any other products that I use for planning. These are the couple of requests that are currently like in the pipeline that you guys requested. So if you have any requests regarding specific topics like these, or just any generic topics that you just want me to create either podcast episodes on or YouTube videos, do let me know about that. Okay, so this is the thing. And then another one is Oracle readings. Thank you so much to everyone who submitted your applications. I am gonna be working on screening through all the applications and then finalizing the participants. And this is gonna be based on, first it's gonna be based on, if you guys have entered the like entry, you would know what I'm talking about. So first it's gonna be based on what you guys need, like what goal are you working on, and how, like, what expectations you have from this, whether I can match that. That's gonna be the first priority. And then the next priority is going to be like first come, first serve basis. So if I have, say, 7 participants that I've shortlisted and I have a space only for 4, then I'm going to be selecting like the first 4 who applied. So that's that for my work goals. For personal goals, I think this week I've been doing really well actually, and I want to continue that. Just one of the changes that I have made is, I don't know, this is something new that I tried out this week, like called incremental to-do list. I'm not writing all my to-do list at once, like how I do in the morning. I'm just writing it one by one as I go throughout the day, and that's working out so well. I've been doing my yoga practices properly, I've been sleeping on time, I have been going on walks, I'm doing my journaling, like everything is going really good, touch wood. So I just want to keep continuing that this week, and I know that some of the days I didn't upload videos on YouTube, but that I made sure that I prioritize my well-being this week, really, when it comes down to time, because there are a lot of things going on and there's just limited time that I have. So I really need to figure out, okay, this or that. I wish I could do this and that, but I really need to prioritize, and I just felt like I needed to prioritize my well-being. As long as I upload 5 days a week, that's like I've achieved my goal for the week regarding the frequency or the consistency regarding my content. So yeah, but I would love to upload it daily, as I know a lot of you guys watch my videos daily. So yeah, that's that. Okay, so a couple of things that I'm focusing on in my personal goals is I've really minimized the stuff that I do for my routines, and one's gonna be like as soon as I wake up, I am doing my affirmations, and then I do my yoga. So yoga on some of the days I do it in the morning itself, but there are a couple of days wherein I have meetings early in the morning or coaching sessions early in the morning, because some of my clients are from India and the time difference and stuff, it works out when it's early in the morning for me. So that time I do it in between the day. And then at the end of the day, once I'm done with work and everything, I go on a walk, and right before I go to bed, I am journaling. So this is something new that I tried out. I usually journal in like somewhere around like 12 or 1 o'clock, but now I have moved it to like a part of my bedtime routine. So I'm really loving that. It's just nice to clear my mind from all the thoughts that's going on, and the technique that I use is thought download. So it works really well. I just feel really good before I go to bed. So that's one. And then I'm also doing my meditations, which I'm really enjoying, or it just feels good. So this is regarding my work goals and personal goals. Meal plan I haven't prepared yet because I haven't done my grocery shopping yet, so I'm gonna save this for now. And for my weekly affirmations, technically this is not an affirmation, but this is a statement that we use in EFT technique, and I really like that. So if you're not aware of what it is, it's basically a tapping method wherein you tap on certain pressure points of your body, and each one has its own purpose. Like one of the thing is here, like this is where we tap, and this is the most common one that you use. And one of the statements that we use for tapping is, I deeply and completely accept myself. And that feels so good when I use that statement. And I worked with a EFT specialist last year, and I have all those videos from when I worked with her, and it just feels so good when we use that sentence as, I deeply and completely accept myself. So I want to use that as my affirmation this week. It just feels, I don't know how to explain that feeling, very light and very comforting. So, yeah, this is my weekly affirmation. I deeply and completely accept myself. Okay, and this one I'm gonna be using it for my home stuff this week because I don't have a lot to shop. Let me just grab my white out. So, just gonna cover this up. I'll actually put the stickers in a bit. And one thing that I want to, so this is basically like I'm gonna be, as you guys already know, I'm gonna be moving in a few weeks. So I just want to go through the stuff and see what I want to keep and what I want to like let go of. And there are three things that I want to focus on. One is in my room, there is a shelf, and I just want to go through that shelf. So the shelf is basically like my version of junk drawer. So anything that I don't have a specific spot for, it would go on this. And I really want to tackle that. So I'm going to go through that. And then also under the bed, I have the storage, and I want to go through this as well. All the three, there are like three drawers under the bed, so I just want to go through that. And I don't think there's like, I'm pretty good at keeping this clean or keeping this to the bare minimum, but there are a few things like the box that I got with the phone and the box that I got with laptop, or apart from that, I think it's just my YouTube equipment and all of that. And I might have a few journals there. So I just want to go through that and make sure I let go of stuff that I don't need. And then this particular week, I actually wanted to work on the kitchen stuff, but I couldn't. So I'm going to be pushing it to the upcoming week. And that is going to be kitchen cupboards. I just want to go through that and just organize everything. There's not much like my stuff there. This house came furnished and with all the utensils and stuff, but yeah, I just want to make sure that I go through it once. And then I also want to go through the home closet. So apart from my room, there are a couple of closets around the house, and these are the places where I would have stored some cleaning supplies or my package boxes that I order from online. Those are there, and also like my suitcases and stuff. So I just want to go through that and organize it and see if just throw away things that I don't really need. Okay, so we're good there, and this is gonna be for oracle card reading for that particular week. And again, I'm gonna come back to this later to put the header, this as well. So this is gonna be my weekly to-do list spot. The first one is cleaning home, and then I also want to get my laundry done this week, and two things regarding my well-being. One is meal plan for like that next week, and then grocery shopping. And I usually used to put these in my weekly planner. By the way, if you haven't seen yesterday's setup video, this was it. I loved setting up this page. I just love how it's looking. I was a bit like skeptical in the beginning because these are like individual stickers and it's difficult to theme it together, but I really love the colors here. So yeah, I was saying, I used to write these here, like I used to put it on specific days, but I've just been liking to take things one day at a time, one thing at a time. So I'm gonna put it here, and depending on that particular day, I'll see whether I wanna get that done or not. So yeah, this is one. And also I have to be doing my March review. And if I wasn't filming these planning videos, I would have done it next weekend. But I know some of you guys might want to do it then, so I want to make sure that I upload my April planning videos by like in the upcoming week. So before that, I want to do my March review, and then also to just pre-plan April stuff, see what goals I'm working on, what like appointments I have and stuff, so that the video is ready for you guys by this weekend and you can use the weekend to plan for April. Oh my god, we are like almost through first quarter of 2021. That sounds crazy. Okay, let's just put on the headers. I don't know if all the patterns are here. I like these. I like these as well. And I even like these. Okay, I think I am gonna be adding this one and this one, like both of these. So I would need about 3 of them. Oh, if I just need 3, what I'm gonna do is use these 3. I don't like these diagonal stripes a lot, so I try to avoid using that. Okay, I'm gonna put this one for oracle cards and this one for home stuff and this one for to do. Oh, you know what? I have a to do sticker that I came across yesterday that I wanted to use. Let me just grab that. Okay, so this is the one from Alicat's sticker shop. I like this font a lot. I like how bold it is, but it's not too overpowering. Okay, so we have this there, and then oh, you know what? I'm actually gonna take this to do, put it over here, and then put this week over here. I think this looks great. Okay, so this one I'm just gonna write it as oracle card for the week. I am very happy that I sat down today and just reevaluated a lot of stuff and planned, and my planner is all ready for the upcoming week. So yeah, I hope you guys found this video helpful. In case you did, please give it a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye.